Welcome to the screencast on Apple Configurator, Application Acquisition and Deployment. This will show you all of the steps needed to acquire an application, if it is paid or free, and then deploy it through Apple Configurator. The first thing to do is await a request to be submitted. Currently, the forms are submitted and received through email. If I look at my email inbox, I see one that is right here. The request shows that it came from Beth Jewell for grade 1, that this is in regards to a classroom management application called Too Noisy. Too Noisy is $2.99 and there are 2 copies. Before purchasing an application, you must await approval from either Sue Wings or Ann Huff, as of the time of this recording. Sue has approved the purchase of the 2 applications at $2.99. So, we log into the VPP store. I'm previously logged in to user HSDCA. I like to find the VPP store by just Google searching VPP login, which I will do now. And then I have the sign-in link right over here. And again, since I've previously been signed in, it's already up and available. I'm going to search for the application. Now I'm not going to purchase this application because in a previous recording that I didn't save, apparently it did purchase the application after updating some payment information. So I'm going to show you everything up until the final purchase. We're going to go ahead and click on Too Noisy. We're going to make sure it says redeemable codes. We get a price break if we choose to buy 20 or more units. However, we're not going to do so. We're only going to order 2 in this case. As soon as you click Review Order, it doesn't typically just review order, it tends to actually buy it. So I'm not going to actually click it because I'm fairly sure it's going to turn around and purchase for a second time. Now after purchasing, and to be fair, if it doesn't actually purchase after that link, I think the rest of it is pretty straightforward for you to figure out. Good viewer. So we're going to go down here to where it says Purchase History. Now Purchase History, we're going to see right here, March 24th of 2015. Here's our order number. Here's the application. It's an iOS application. We have quantity to order for a total of $5.98, and this is the link to download our Excel codes. Now, because receipts are not coming through 100% accurately at this point in time, we need to take a screenshot of this particular order so that the front office has some purchase information. I did that by holding Command Shift and the button number 4, which brought up crosshairs, and then I selected the crosshairs, as you saw, across that top entry to take a screenshot. That screenshot is located on my desktop, which is right here, and we can see I now have the screenshot to submit along with the rest of my paperwork. So I'm now going to download the codes. However, there is a step we can avoid if we first remote into the Mac Mini server. So we're going to do that. Connect to server. VNC means I'm going to remote control it. MDM-OSX is our server name, and the rest of it after that ensures that I connect to the server here inside our building. So I'm going to click Connect and provide the credentials, and now I'm inside a computer that's actually being used by my colleague. So how do we go from here? We're going to stop this video and we'll have to pick off in a part 2.